If you'd like to learn more about this book or purchase a physical copy or an ebook version, you can do that in the click. On today's episode, the reveal of a book full of recipes you'll really eat up. Vegan ramen. Lay home everyone, I'm Yeung. This is a very special episode because it's finally here. The first ever vegan ramen cookbook. I want to take a second to express my thanks and my very humble gratitude for everyone who's touched this project and has been a part of this journey to make this project possible. For me personally, having a book means very little unless you have an incredible audience that will be able to enjoy this book and can add value to their life. That is what ultimately adds value to me. So thank you very much. This book literally took about a year in the making and was quite the challenge, from juggling my photography and video business to completing this book and of course filming for YouTube. However, I have met some incredible people along the way, like Helen and Sorley at their ceramic studio in Toronto, who made literally every single piece of serveware, every ramen bowl, literally from scratch. They even made their own glazes, which is absolutely incredible. And the team at the printing company in Toronto has been absolutely invaluable and incredibly supportive throughout this entire project. I definitely could not have done this without them. Let's open the book, shall we? Wow, that color is just so vibrant. And I did upgrade the cover to a soft touch lamination and it feels really luxurious. Nice. And the style of the paper just feels really nice, and it really complements the dramatic style of the photography. Just really nice to look at and to feel, which is quite neat. So the book is organized in different categories, from prep in advance to small plates like the shitoyaki or the takoyaki, and some Japanese style salads, to your ramen dishes, noodle dishes that are not soup based, and some drinks that you can enjoy with your ramen. And I also have a incredible easy handmade noodle recipe that you can make in your very own home, as well as some techniques to help you dry your noodles and have them ready on hand and ready for use. I just love how vibrant the pictures are. That is the mushroom and bean gyoza. Now, I don't want to take away from the surprise of the book, but there is one thing left for me to do. It's to sign my own book. Because you never know. One day, I could be famous. Just a quick update for the amazing pledgers on Kickstarter who made this project a possibility. We are on track and hopefully even a little bit ahead of schedule. For everyone who pledged and purchased an ebook or a physical copy, those rewards will be fulfilled by December of this year. For everyone who purchased the ramen bowl as well as the hand-carved wooden chopsticks, please do be patient. Those are on track to be fulfilled by March of next year. Please do be patient. It's a little bit of a wait, but those bowls are literally made from scratch. Even the glazes are made from scratch and are made exclusively for this Kickstarter project. They're incredibly beautiful and are definitely going to be worth the wait, so please do be patient. For all the pledgers who haven't filled out the survey form, please do so ASAP. Thank you for joining me in today's episode. Because I'm a photographer by trade, I wanted to make sure that the book had a picture for every single recipe, and it definitely does. If you'd like to learn more about the book or purchase a physical copy or an ebook version, you can do that on my website at willyeung.com in the link above or in the link in the description box below. Be sure to subscribe and hit that notification bell, and I'll see you in the next episode. Purchase off of my website in the version of the book. You can recipe, and it definitely does. Version of the book. You can visit it. Who pledged for the books? The physical who pledged on Kickstarter but haven't almost.